Hey guys, so here's a solution I found to fix the flickering reversing camera in your TEYES radio. I had it going on after I connected it all up and it was driving me insane, so I took it all apart and had a look what was going on with the wiring. So now we're at the back of the car rack, hooked up the yellow wire into the positive of the reversing light bulb. So this is the switch power. And the black wire is the earth that completes the circuit. And when I was pulling it apart, the earth wire actually came off the wiring loom. So the earth for the power is off. So technically the camera should not work at all because the earth's gone, right? Regardless of this, I still go and check if the camera's working right, and lo and behold it is. I stomped the brake, which usually causes the flickering, and to my surprise, there is no flickering. So the problem ended up being two earths, one from the RCA cable that connects to the radio, and the other earth that's part of the wiring loom for the camera. So when I removed the earth from the camera, it still had earth from the RCA, and that fixed the problem. So if you're experiencing flickering, try this trick first.